I'm ready, sir. Let me know when we need to start the session.
Sir, just before 1 minute, I'll give introduction about you, sir. Just one
Okay.
minute. So Chandrakant Diota working as a senior technical delivery manager, DevOps, Western Corporation Private Limited based out of Pune. He completed electronic and instrument science postgraduate from University of Pune in the year 2004. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for inviting us in this session.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sir, one point, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it close by 3:30, sir. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. We will close by 3:30. No issue.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, proceed, sir. Proceed.
So, good afternoon, all respected participant. Myself, Chandrakant Devda, and next 45 to 50 minutes is very important for you. We are going to learn about the yoga. We are going to learn about the meditation, and this is beautiful thing in our life. If you do it, if you follow the instruction properly, if you do the practical part properly, you will see the real transformation within you. You will see the innate quality which is exist within you, like a peace, like a satisfaction, innocence, will enhance within you, will create it will generate a lot of joy and peace within you. So next 45 minutes is very important. If you follow the instruction, we can understand this meditation technique in a proper way. So before we start, I want this session to be more and more interactive and more we can discuss on this topic and fundamental topic, rather than one person just sitting and speaking and you all are listening. So hope this will you don't mind that. So I have first question to all of respected participant. Let us know, what do you think about meditation? What is exactly mean by meditation or dhyan? Can anyone tell me in the chat or unmute your mic and tell me what is meditation is all about? Anything which you know.
Meditation means relaxing the mind, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes, that is the benefit of the meditation. So, but thank you very much, sir, for giving answer. Sumesh, sir, right? Thank you, sir. This is a benefit. You are right, but this is a benefit. So, what will be the simple definition of meditation? Anyone want to try? So, is it little difficult question?
Means union of mind and body.
Yeah, exactly.
Union of mind and body.
Exactly correct. The union of mind and body, which we call as a yoga. You are absolutely correct, sir. But that is the definition of yoga. What is about meditation? Yes, anyone want to try? What is a meditation? Okay, so let's do one experiment. We all know that while doing a meditation, if you observe a Buddha, if you observe a Mahavir, if you observe a Santananeshwar, or if you observe any saint, any rishi, you always see that they are sitting in a quiet place, closing their eyes and doing the meditation. So we can do one experiment. We all can close our eyes for a few seconds and let's observe ourselves, what is going on inside our brain, inside our body. So can you please close your eyes for a few seconds and observe what is going on? Now slowly you can open your eyes and let me know what is exactly going on when you close your eyes. If you observe properly, you are getting a thoughts. The thoughts may be from the past or thoughts may be from the future. You are always ping pong between past and future. Some thought will give a happiness to you, and some thought may give a sadness to you. So if you observe the sine wave of thought, one thought will come, it slowly go down, then another thought will come. Then what is a meditation? Meditation is nothing but the gap between two thoughts. If you observe the next diagram, which is I'm showing you on a screen, one thought will come and then there is a gap and then another thought will start. So the gap between two thought we call as a vilamba in Hindi, or this is a thoughtless awareness state, or we call as a turiya state in Hindi, Sanskrit, sorry, and that is we call as a dhyan or a meditation. So what is a simple definition? It's a thoughtless awareness. In Hindi we call as a nirvicharita. In Sanskrit we call as a turiya state. So what we are going to achieve today is the thoughtless awareness or a nirvicharita state. So today's experiment is nothing but just achieving this thoughtless awareness state. And how we can achieve, we will going to learn in a few minutes. So I request you all participant, if you have a question, you can feel free to ask anytime. But if you do not have any question, I will request you please go on a mute. So it will be helpful to everyone. Okay. So please go on a mute.
Sir, sir,
Yes, Mahesh ji.
is it the gap between two thoughts or focusing on one thought?
It's a gap between two thoughts.
Is it not focusing on one thought?
No. The meditation is not about focusing. It's about the thoughtless awareness. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Mahesh ji. Okay. So now we learn about the meditation. Now we are going to learn about the benefit of meditation. So what are the benefit you will get by doing a meditation? Can someone please tell me what are the meditation benefit, or what are the general benefit you will get by doing a meditation? Anyone want to try? Anyone want? You hope you all are doing some kind of exercise. Okay, so Anand sir says peace. Yeah, correct. Rukma Devi ma'am says peace of mind. Yes.
Healthy body, sir.
Healthy body. Yes, you are right. You get the peace, you get the joy, you get the healthy life. What else? What else? Focus. Yes, your focus will improve. Thank you, Renuka ma'am.
Lead to success.
Yeah, it will create a successful life. You will be a very good leader. It will help you to be a good leader, and you can lead a successful life. What else? So let me explain you in a very simple definition. If you do a exercise, you will get benefit. All are agree. Then if we do yogasana like Surya Namaskar, Vajrasan, different kind of yogasana, you get the little more benefit because it will improve your muscles. After yogasana, what is the next step? It's a pranayam. If you do the breathing exercise, you will get much more benefit than yogasana. So pranayam is a little more superior state. But after pranayam, what is the next step? The next step is a meditation. Meditation is the last stage where you get a much more benefit than yogasana and pranayam. In pranayam, what you are doing a breathing exercise forcefully, inhaling, inhaling, inhale, exhale. You are asking your body to forcefully to do particular breathing exercise. But in meditation, whatever exercise is required by your body can happen automatically. You don't need to force your body to perform some kind of breathing exercise. Also, when you do a meditation, you get the benefit of pranayam, yogasana, and all other kind of exercise. Meditation is the last and superior state. If in pranayam, what you are doing, you are just listening in the TV or watching the news, watching some kind of yoga channel and just performing the pranayam. but which pranayam is suited for your body, you don't know. You are blindly doing by reading a book or watching the TV. But when you do a meditation, whichever pranayam is required for your body, that will happen automatically, spontaneously. You don't need to read any book, or you don't need to analyze. It should happen automatically. It should happen spontaneously, effortless. That is the real meditation, and that is the real pranayam also. So in meditation you can do the pranayam also, and the meditation gives a much more benefit. So meditation is like, I can say that it will improve your health, it improve your physical health, mental health, and spiritual health. It cure all kind of physical disease, like if you have blood pressure, diabetes, knees problem, aging problem, all kind of disease you can naturally resolve with the help of meditation. In the recent time, in the this COVID situation, government is always asking you to improve your immune power, and this immune power can be naturally and effortless way, you can increase with the help of meditation. So meditation will improve your immune power, your eyesight, your memory power, and much more. So if I start explaining the benefit, it's a big list, but today our purpose is not there to explain this benefit, but to understand the practical part, to understand how to do meditation. If you learn how to do meditation, you can get this benefit, because it's a beautiful technique of yoga. You can read from the book like benefit, you can watch the video about benefit, but anyone cannot explain in a book or in a video how to do the meditation. That can be happen with this kind of session. So today we are here to learn about the practical part of meditation, how to achieve the thoughtless awareness. Okay, for this we all are here. So let's go how this can be happen in our body. So if you observe human body, in human body, the way we have a physical body, similar way we have one internal body system which is made up of nadis and chakras. So if you see the diagram here, you can observe the three nadis, which we call as a left channel, right channel, and center channel. And on that there are 7 energy center, which we call as a plexus in English, or in Sanskrit we call as a chakra. So the left channel, which we call as a left sympathetic nervous system in scientific language, or in Sanskrit we call as a Ida Nadi. This is associated with our desire power. This is associated with our emotions. The yellow color line, which you can see in the diagram, which we call as a right sympathetic nervous system, or in Sanskrit we call as a Pingla Nadi. This channel is associated with our future thoughts. It's associated with the action power within us. The center path, which you can see in a white color, we call as a parasympathetic nervous system in scientific language, or in Sanskrit we call as a Sushumna Nadi. This is the Nadi of our evolution. We call as a Sushumna Nadi. And on that there are 7 energy center. At the bottom of our spinal cord, you can see the triangular bone, which we call as a sacrum bone. And inside that there is a circular form of energy, which we call as a kundalini. Why we call as a kundalini? Because it's in a circular form, and the circular word in Sanskrit we call as a kundal. Since it's motherly energy, that's why we call as a kundalini. Each human being, independent of his sex, independent of his caste, each person has kundalini exist within his body, but it is in a passive state. So today when we do some practical, this energy get activated. Once this energy get activated, we feel a cool or hot breeze on both of our palm and top of our head. That time the real yoga will happen. So as some time back someone has explained the real definition of yoga. Yoga is nothing but the connection with your own energy with the cosmic power. It's nothing but the union between your own energy with the cosmic power. So where is our own energy? So our own energy is the kundalini energy. When it activated and connected with the cosmic power, that time the yoga will happen. And once this yoga is established, you will get automatically, spontaneously thoughtless awareness, which we call as a nirvicharita. That is a meditation. So this is all about the yoga. Now what is about the left channel? If you find a person who is very lethargy, he's always thinking about the past, he's over emotional person, he always feel a depression and loneliness. If you find this kind of person surrounding you, you can say that he has some problem in his left side, that is ida nadi. Similar way, if you find a person who is overactive, he's always thinking about future, workaholic, very aggressive and angry, very dominating, that time you can think that his right side has some kind of imbalance, or we can say there is a imbalance in his pingla nadi. But the person who is a balanced personality, that is ida and a pingla, or maybe left or right channel is in balance, that is a balanced personality, that is always thinking about the positive thoughts, is a very peaceful person and very completely balanced person. He is a person who take a bigger decision in a very short time. And we want your personality should be a balanced personality. You can balance your left side, you can balance your right side, and you can be a balanced person. So we all are here for this, to achieving the balanced personality. So let me explain you one more thing, and before that, okay, so I want to show you this small video. Let me know if you can able to hear this video. I will if voice is clear, let me know.
There means bond. Sa means faith, Ja means bond. So it is bond with you, the right, to become united, which is the yoga, with the divine. We have two sides in our system of autonomous nervous system, left and right, which we call as left and right sympathetic nervous system. The left side caters for our emotions, for our past, our desires. The right side caters for our action, physical and mental. If you indulge into one too much and go too far with it, you develop an imbalance within yourself. In the center lies the third power, which we call as parasympathetic nervous system. This is the channel which is the central part of ascent. When the Kundalini rises through it, it brings you in the balance because it rises in the center of the system. So this is the minimum that happens, that you develop your balance. This is the last breakthrough of our evolution, where you have to get connected with the divine, you have to feel it on your central nervous system, and that's how you get your self-realization.
So you have seen one small video of Dr. Sri Nirmala Srivastava. She is a founder of Sahaj Yoga, and she discovered the Sahaj Yoga technique in 1917. And after that, this technique is practiced across the world, and millions people are following the Sahaj Yoga technique. As per Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi, we cannot charge the money for our own energy and the natural process. So the Kundalini is our own energy, and awakening is a natural process. So that's why the Sahaj Yoga is totally free across the world. You can go to any city, state, village, or any country, you will find a free Sahaj Yoga center. There is no charges. And for this technique, Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi received a numerous award, huge number of awards from the different state, different country, different government, and also she is nominated for Global Peace Award. So now coming back to the next diagram, we understand the nadis. Now we are going to learn about the chakras, or in science we call as a plexus. So in our body there are 7 plexes which is located on our spinal cord, which we call as a Muladhara chakra, Swadhisthana chakra, Nabhi, Hriday, Vishuddhi, Agya, and Sahasrara. This different chakra is controlling the different body organ in our body. For example, Nabhi chakra is controlling our digestion, stomach, and kidney. If there is an imbalance in this Nabhi chakra, and because of this, you will find there is a disease in digestion, or maybe kidney related disease, or a digestion related disease. But if this chakra is in a balance, you will observe that there is strong digestion power exists within you, strong immunity power which exists within you. So this is how there's a balance and imbalance of this chakra will affect our body organ, and we get the different disease. So now, how this can happen in practically, when we do practical, what exactly happen? If you observe this diagram, I am showing you one diagram. In this diagram is a small animation where 3 nadis, 7 chakras, and Kundalini Shakti is you can observe. When our Kundalini Shakti will activate, that is located in a sacrum bone, that is a triangular bone. Once it activates, it goes to the first energy center, which we call as a Muladhara. It nourishes the Muladhara chakra. It manifests the quality of Muladhara chakra. Muladhara chakra basically control your reproductive organ and excretory organ. Then second, it goes to the Swadhisthana chakra, which we call as aortic plex. This is a very important center because it generates the gray cell for our body. Then third, it goes to the Nabhi chakra, which control all our Nabhi related organ. Then fourth, it goes to the heart chakra, which gives the confidence to us, which control all our heart related organ. Then second, after that, it goes to the Vishuddhi chakra, which improve our communication skill, which control our ear, nose, throat. It control our all sensing organ. After that, it goes to the Agya chakra, which we call as optic chesma. If you are thinking too much about past or future, this chakra goes in imbalance and you get the headache. And then slowly it goes to the top of our head, which we call as a Sahasrara chakra or a limbic area. Once this energy come out from our Sahasrara chakra or a limbic area, you will feel a cool or hot breeze or a beautiful vibration on your palm and top of your head. That indicate that your energy is activated and connected with the cosmic energy. That is the yoga, and that time you get a peaceful environment. That time you get the thoughtless awareness, and that is what we are trying to achieve today. Okay, so let's start the procedure. So you all are ready? Can we do the practical part? You can say yes on chat if you all are ready. All are ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great, Ahmed sir. So
Yes, sir. We are ready.
yeah, that is the kind of energy I'm looking from you. Thank you very much. Yes. So we have a simple 3-step. I will be going to explain you the base position, or step number 1 is keep your both the hand on your lap and palm will be facing toward the sky. This is your base position. Keep your both the hand on your lap. Then step number 2 is raise your right hand, put on your heart little left side. You can see in the diagram. Then next step, raise your right hand, put on your forehead horizontally like this. And the step number 4 is raise your right hand, put on top of your head, stretch your palm, press it little bit hard and rotate 7 times clockwise direction. And then keep our both the hand back to our lap. That's it. These are the 3 simple steps we need to perform. So can we start this step? So before we start this step, I have one humble request to everyone. Please remove your spec because we are going to close our eyes. If you are sitting on a chair, make sure that your feet are away from each other. If you are sitting on a ground, you sit in a Padmasana or Sukhasana, whichever is comfortable for you. Be in a relaxed position. Do not try to put a lot of effort here. It should happen spontaneously without effort. Okay. Let's keep our both the hand on a lap and slowly close our eyes. दोनों हाथ अपने गोद में रख के धीरे धीरे आंखें बंद करेंगे. प्रसन्न चित्त होके बैठेंगे. Let's keep our both the hand on our lap. Our spinal cord should be upright and straight, and slowly close our eyes. With the closed eyes, we will watch our thought. बंद आंखों से हम अपने विचारों को देखेंगे. इसमें उलझना नहीं है, इसे सिर्फ देखना है. Do not get involved in a thought. Just watch your thoughts. Now slowly raise your right hand, put on your heart little left side. Press it little bit hard, and here in your heart you need to pray, Mother, I am the pure spirit. You need to say 12 times in your heart, Mother, I am the pure spirit. श्री माता जी, मैं एक शुद्ध आत्मा हूँ. श्री माता जी, मैं एक शुद्ध आत्मा हूँ. Mother, I am the pure spirit. Now slowly raise our right hand, put on our forehead horizontally, place it little bit hard, move our head little down, and here you need to pray, Mother, I forgive everyone, including myself. मैंने सबको क्षमा की है. जिसने भी मुझे चोट पहुंचाई है, मैं उन सबको क्षमा करता हूँ. I forgive everyone. Now slowly raise our right hand, put on top of our head, press it little bit hard, stretch our palm and rotate our palm 7 times clockwise direction. And here you need to pray, Mother, please give me my self-realization. श्री माता जी, कृपा करके मुझे मेरा आत्म साक्षात्कार प्रदान कीजिए. Mother, please give me my self-realization. Mother, please give me my self-realization. You need to press it little bit hard. Rotate your palm 7 times clockwise direction and say the prayer in our heart with 7 times. Mother, please give me my self-realization. And slowly we can take our both the hand back to our lap. Our eyes should be closed. Our both the hand on our lap. Our eyes should be closed. Our spinal cord should be upright and straight. Be in a relaxed position. Concentrate on top of our head. And now we are going in a deep meditation. Silent meditation, deep meditation for a few seconds. Now slowly we can open our eyes. Very slowly we can open our eyes. And observe our both the palm and top of our head. हम अपने दोनों हाथ की हथेलियां और सर के ऊपर का तालु भाग को देखना है कि हमें कुछ ठंडा या गर्म महसूस हो रहा है या नहीं. Now last step we all going to perform together. So I request you, if possible, you can switch on your video just for 2-3 minutes if possible. I request you, raise your right hand, put on top of your head, but do not touch. Keep some distance. Move little up, down, left, right, and see if you can able to feel a cool or hot breeze. Can you please try? See if you can able to feel the cool or hot breeze. So thank you, Mahalingam sir. I can see you. You are doing perfectly right. Move little up, down, left, right. See if you can able to feel a cool or hot breeze. Similar way, raise your Mahalingam ma'am. Similar way, raise your left hand. Keep your right hand on a lap and raise your left hand top of your head and move little up, down, left, right, and see if you can able to feel a cool or hot breeze coming from your head. It's a very minute experience. You need to observe properly. Move little up, down, left, right, and see if you can able to feel a cool or hot breeze. Move little up, down, left, right. So yes, Lakshman sir, you can try move little up, down. Now take your left hand back to your lap. Again, try with the right hand. See if you can able to feel a cool or hot breeze. Move little up, down, left, right. See, yes, Lakshman sir, you are doing perfectly right. Yes. Hema Sajwan sir, yes, you are perfectly doing fine. Ma'am, yes. Move little up, down. It's a very minute it is a very minute thing. You need to try it properly. Now last stage is stretch your both the arm toward the sky like this. Stretch your both the arm as much as you can stretch your both the arm toward the sky. Move your head little backside, and here you need to pray in your heart, or you need to ask one question in your heart. Mother, is this the experience of self realization? क्या यही आत्म साक्षात्कार की अनुभूति है? And slowly we can take our both the hand in front of our heart. We can do namaskar the way we used to do namaskar, and slowly we can open our palm like this. Move forward, backward slowly, and you can see some energy. So thank you, Kalpana Sharma ma'am. I can see you. You are doing perfectly fine. Move little forward, backward like this. Did you feel a cool? Did you feel a hot energy? So thank you very much all the respected participants who switch on their video. Now you can switch off. So thank you for accepting our request. How did you feel some cool or hot?
Yes, sir. I feel good, sir.
I feel good, sir.
Thank you, Mahalingam ma'am.
Feeling good,
anyone else feel the hot or cool?
Oh, feeling good, sir, but it require continuous practice, and no, only then we can realize what is actually this practice is all about.
Yeah, correct.
I feel a little bit hot, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Kalpana. That is very good. Those who feel a hot, those who feel a cool, this is a very good, that it indicates that your Kundalini energy get activated. So now we will go for question answer and how to meditate at home. But before that, I have posted one feedback form on the chat. If you fill this feedback form, you will get an automated email with all the information like today's PPT, some more advanced technique and all other information. So I will request you, if you can fill this feedback form, that will be great, and you will get more information automated with the automated email. Maybe we have a Dr. Ashok Kumar Mishra. So he is from the professor background, and I will request him to share his experience in 5 minutes.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Thank you, Chandrakant, for giving me an opportunity to share my experience of 25 years in Sahaja Yoga. The first thing which happened was vanishing of my acidity problem, migraine problem, and severe headache and vomiting within few days of starting Sahaja Yoga. I had done a lot of treatments by going to a doctor and so many other methods, homemade remedies and all, but it all failed. But as soon as I started this meditation, within 2-3 days it vanished. And now since last 25 years, nothing has attacked me in the form of this type of problem of acidity and all. Though I have not done any increase in or any exercises or any परहेज में कुछ खाने में कुछ कम नहीं किया, कुछ नहीं, ऐसी लाइफस्टाइल वैसा था वैसे ही चल रहा है. So that means there is a system inside us which is prioritize करता है हमारे प्रॉब्लम को और उसको सॉल्व कर देता है. बट उसके लिए हमको अपना अटेंशन है, वो हमारे हर सेल को जानती है, एंड शी नोज अबाउट आवर पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर. सो व्हेन वी नो दैट आवर अटेंशन से ही सब काम होता है, और अटेंशन इज सपोज टू बी गॉड नाउ, बिकॉज आप उससे जो भी आप चाहते हैं सब पा लेते हैं. So it is as good as God. So when you put your attention on your Kundalini power, when you meditate for 10 minutes in the morning and evening, continuously, rigorously, आपका ये कमिटमेंट आपके थ्रू रहेगा तो आपको रिजल्ट बहुत जल्दी मिलने लगेंगे. लेकिन कुछ लोगों को गर्म लगे या ठंडा नहीं लगे, आज ही रिजल्ट मिलना शुरू हो जाएगा. आपका नींद अच्छा होगा, या यू विल बी फीलिंग वेरी नाइस टुडे इटसेल्फ. सो बट प्रैक्टिस मेक्स ए मैन परफेक्ट. तो आप इस आर्ट को, इसको आप प्रैक्टिस करिए, और इसका रिजल्ट है जैसे हमको अमेजिंग मिला हुआ है. I have given my number. You can call me. I can tell you n number of stories specifically in whatever field you want. I'm basically engineer with 40 years industry experience and 25 years in Sahaja Yoga. Now I am retired. I am completely devoting 24/7 time in Sahaja Yoga work. Means counseling and motivating people to practice Sahaja Yoga free of cost. No money. I don't earn money out of anything now. I'm just devoting my time full, because the best thing in life is to do practice Sahaja Yoga and इसका प्रचार करना, दूसरों को बताना. Sri Mataji is the propagator of this art of Sahaja Yoga, and she told that I don't want money from you. I don't want anything. Just if you have gained anything out of Sahaja Yoga, just tell others. So वो लाइन मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हमको जो फायदा हो गया. तो अभी हम ऐसे स्टेज में पहुंच गए हैं कि माय हाउस इज सेट, माय फैमिली इज सेट, आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, एंड आई एम टोटली सेटिस्फाइड विद माय लाइफ. सो आई एम फुल्ली डिवोटेड फॉर दिस वर्क ऑफ Sahaja Yoga. एनी टाइम कोई भी हमको कॉल आता है, उनको मेरे पास एक लेडी का कॉल आता है, 1 घंटा 5 मिनट बात किया उसने, उसके सारे प्रॉब्लम हमने फोन पर ही सॉल्व कर दिया. फिर एक लेडी.
So thank you very much Ashok Kumar Mishra sir for sharing your valuable feedback.
चालू है? हाँ सर. अरे पता ही नहीं हमें बच्चों को. अच्छा. क्या टाइमिंग क्या रखा है आपने? 10 से 4 सर.
Sir,
yeah, Vivek sir, you have a question.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead Vivek sir.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible, very much audible.
Actually, I just wanted to share one thing with you. Whenever I try to meditate, sir, sometimes I get asleep, sir. I mean, how can we differentiate that stage of sleepiness to meditation? I mean that.
Very good question, sir. Very good question. I request you all other participants, please go on mute. Hello. Can someone please make all other participants on mute? There are a lot of noise. Okay, thank you very much. So there is a question from Vivek Kumar Sharma sir, that while doing a meditation, most of the time he feels sleepy or he goes in a sleep. So this is a normal problem with all the people who has some kind of imbalance in the left side, maybe because we feel sometimes sleepy or maybe lethargy. That is because our left side has a problem, and because of this we feel sleepy. But if you feel sleepy, I will be going to explain you right now the step of how to meditate at home. So the balancing of our left side and balancing of our right side. So when you balance your left side and then you do meditation, you will observe that you will not get a sleep. So you do this thing at your home every day and you will see the changes. So now if you see the slide which I am showing you as a balancing, so once we do meditation, after that what we should do? Every day we need to balance our left side and right side. So how to balance our left side? Just keep our left hand on our lap and right hand on Mother Earth and just say to in your heart, Mother Earth, please balance my left side, because our left side is associated with heaviness and we are using Mother Earth element to remove all the heaviness from our body. So with the help of Mother Earth element, we are balancing our left side. Just you need to say, Mother, please balance my left side. Keep your left hand on a lap and right hand on Mother Earth. You can see the diagram on the PPT. Then next what you need to do, raise your right hand on your lap and raise your left hand toward the sky, bending from the elbow. And you need to say, Mother, please balance my right side. Here what we are doing, we are using an ether element to balance our right side. Right side is associated with the future thought or the heat element, and we are trying to remove this heat toward the ether element. So once you do the left and right balancing, keep your both the hand on a lap, close your eyes and concentrate on top of your head. That's it. Every morning 5 to 10 minutes you need to do this, and every night 5 to 10 minutes you need to do this. If you do this regularly, you will see the real transformation. You will see that all the sleepiness, letharginess or aggressiveness, anger, it all disappears spontaneously. You don't need to take any effort. It will go automatically away from you. So this is the benefit of Sahaj Yoga. So every night before you go sleep, you do this balancing and meditation. Every morning whenever you wake up, you do this balancing and meditation. So this is how we can practice at home. Now again open for question answer. Anyone has any more question? Anything like how to cure the blood pressure, diabetes, aging effect, eye problem, concentration? Vivek sir, you have any question? Vivek Kumar Sharma sir?
Sir, actually, I just wanted 2 more minutes of you, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when there is this sort of anxiety, and meditation is a very beautiful, plays a very beautiful part to correct that. But sometimes after meditation, you become anxious. That's my, I mean, that I have felt that, sir. Is it possible, or is the way of meditation of mine maybe incorrect?
This is because the way of meditation you are doing is not a proper.
Right.
Because meditation is only, if you see scientifically what is a meditation, it's nothing but the thoughtless awareness, nirvicharita, जहाँ पे आपको कोई भी विचार नहीं आते, that is the state of nirvicharita. If you do not get any thought, you will get a peaceful environment. You get a peace in your heart. You get a peace in your brain, and you will feel you will enjoy this peace. You will be very happy. You will enjoy this calmness within you. So this is the real meditation. But if you are doing something else, what will happen? You will feel a different kind of problem.
Sir, some people say that while working, whenever you are in office or whenever you are working, even then we can meditate. We can take 2 minutes off from our busy schedule and we can concentrate on that invisible power. Is it possible, sir? There is no need to take a break. Even while working, you can do meditation, whatever you can do a meditation, but that stage will come after a long practice. What you need to do, meditation is a thoughtless awareness. If you are doing any activity and you do not get any thought, if you are completely thoughtless, puri tarah nirvicharita ho, so you are in a meditation. So those people who are practicing from long time, or they practice it daily, they can even while walking or while working, they get the thoughtless awareness and they are in a meditation state. So meditation is nothing but the thoughtless awareness. So if you get while working also, that is fine. So you don't need to take a even break also. But the key is this state you will not get today or tomorrow. It required a certain amount of practice. So if you practice, definitely yes, you can
take a break, or without taking a break, you can do the meditation.
So meditation also keeps us intellectually active for a longer time. I think that is it true, sir?
Yes, correct, sir. Correct, sir. You are absolutely right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for asking a so beautiful question. And because of your question, other people also got the knowledge. So I say thank you to you also.
Thank you.
Okay. So those who want a slide, if they can fill the feedback form, you will get an automated email with the slide information. So I request you please fill the feedback form. You will get the automated email. So any more question? Any more question? Yes, go ahead, sir. Ashok Kumar.
आप लोग क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो सेल्फ मोटिवेशन आएगा, माने आपकी इच्छा शक्ति बढ़ेगी, और जब आपकी इच्छा शक्ति बढ़ेगी तभी आप सहयोग को मेडिटेशन ठीक से कर पाएंगे। तो इसके लिए जो हम लोग बैलेंसिंग करते हैं ना, इच्छा शक्ति और क्रिया शक्ति, ये इसीलिए करते हैं कि हमारे जो डिजायर जो शुद्ध प्योर हो और बढ़े, पावरफुल हो। तो आपका जो कुंडलिनी शक्ति है वही आपके अंदर में इंड्यूस करेगी थ्रू योर ओन फीलिंग कि हमको ये मेडिटेशन करना है। और बिकॉज इसके जो रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं, आपका माइंड जो अभी कचरे से भरा हुआ है खाली हो जाएगा, एम्प्टी हो जाएगा, स्ट्रेस फ्री हो जाएगा। सो यू विल बी हैविंग वेरी पीसफुल माइंड, एंड देन
yes sir,
and then you will like to work in all the time in that condition। वो रहेगी बिकॉज ऑफ कुंडलिनी शक्ति जो है ना आपके सहस्त्रार पे जब रहेगी तो नथिंग नॉनसेंस कैन कम देयर। सो इट विल कीप यू इन बैलेंस स्टेट थ्रू आउट द डे, एंड यू विल एंजॉय योर वर्क, यू विल एंजॉय एवरीथिंग बिकॉज योर माइंड बिकम जॉयस। एंड माइंड यू नो इज वेरी पावरफुल थिंग, इट क्रिएट्स वंडर्स। जितने भी बड़े बड़े इन्वेंशन हुए माइंड से हुए हैं। तो आपका माइंड अगर जॉयस हुआ तो यू कैन बिकम नंबर वन इन योर फील्ड ऑफ वर्क एरिया।
सर मिश्रा सर से मैं थोड़ा सा कुछ जानना चाहूंगा सर।
Yes,
अगर
sir.
आप सुन पा रहे हैं सर मुझे?
Yes, sure.
Sir, you have been in working for last 40 years, as you told us. So,
Yeah.
When you start meditation, hello.
Yeah, अभी बोलिए, बीच में कट हो गया था आवाज।
हाँ जी। After starting meditation, what changes you felt in your working style? What changes you felt in your working style as well as in your professional domain? Was it how did it change you, sir?
तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये जो मैंने आपको बताया ना कि मेरा माइग्रेन का प्रॉब्लम था, मैं फैक्ट्री में जाता था काम करने के लिए और सिर धो रही है तो फिर क्या काम करूंगा मैं। तो सबसे पहला चीज तो ये हो गया कि वो खत्म हो गया। सो आई वाज एकदम फ्रेश एंड आई वाज फीलिंग फुल ऑफ एनर्जी, लाइक जैसे लगता है ना वो शेर आ गया है जंगल में, उस तरह से मेरे को एनर्जी लगता था कि मैं मूव कर रहा हूँ किसी के। और दूसरा चीज क्या था कि वर्कर्स लोग के साथ बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता था हम लोगों का। तो जहां पर भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था आई जस्ट सी एग्जाम और प्रॉब्लम गायब। मैं अमेजिंग फीलिंग है ये, इनको कुछ बोलने का भी जरूरत नहीं लगता था मेरे को, वर्कर्स को खाली मेरे देखने से ही जो उनका इंडिसिप्लिन है खत्म हो जाता था। तो दिस इज द पावर यू गेट। एंड देन सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस। हमको जब अपने बॉस से भी बात करना है तो बॉस को कन्विंस करना पड़ता है कि आई एम राइट सर, आप हमको बोलते हो कि आप काम नहीं कर रहे हो, ये है वो प्रॉब्लम है, ये प्रॉब्लम है, बट सी आपको कॉन्फिडेंस इतना होना पड़ेगा जिससे कि आप अपने जो डेटा उनके सामने रख सकते हो। इफ यू कैन नॉट डू दैट, आपका बॉस आपसे हैप्पी नहीं रहेगा। सो इसको कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ गया हमारा। तो सबसे चीज ये बीमारी खत्म हो गई, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ गया। एंड देन आई वॉज मेरा लग रहा था कि मेरे साथ कोई है, मेरे काम आलतू फालतू काम आने ही बंद हो गए। हमारे पास ये जो रीवर्क बहुत आता है ना, आपको मालूम है इंडस्ट्री में हम काम करने में रीवर्क वर्ड बहुत आता है, तो रीवर्क आना ही बंद हो गया। तक रोज माने एवरी वीक में एक बार जाता था, फुल डे सहयोग सिखाता था उनको मेडिटेशन बैचेस में। तो वहां पर उनका एचआर का आदमी बोला, सर जब से आप आ रहे हैं ना यहाँ पर एक्सीडेंट एक भी नहीं है, सब बंद हो गया है। एक्सीडेंट 6 से ऊपर रहता था, हमारे पास रिकॉर्ड है, आप देखो ये 6 महीने से आप आ रहे हैं यहाँ पर, एक्सीडेंट 0 हो गया है, 0। सो दिस इज हाउ वी एक्सपीरियंस कि हाँ ये पावर देखो कितना अच्छा है। एंड देन वी गेट कॉन्फिडेंट कि यस हम खुद अपना इसमें टाइम देते हैं कि दूसरों को सिखाएं, समझाएं कि बाबा ये इतनी इजी चीज है, सिंपल है, नो मनी एंड लीस्ट पॉसिबल टाइम एंड यू गेट एवरीथिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड। इनफैक्ट मैं अपने घर में जो गार्डन है उसमें ये वाइब्रेटेड पानी डालता हूँ, उसमें काफी अच्छा ग्रीनरी आ गया है। आपने काम में लगाई है, आपने हर चीज में तो उसको हमको 8 घंटा में खत्म करना है, और हमने 8 घंटा में खत्म किया। हमको वहां पर वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं, 2 घंटा वेट करो, 3 घंटा वेट करो, वो सब प्रॉब्लम खत्म हो गए जब से हम ये शुरू किए। नहीं तो अननेसेसरीली हमको ये दूसरे का काम करते बैठो, अपना काम कर नहीं पाओगे, और फिर उसके बाद ओवर टाइम में बैठो, और लोग सब घर में चले जाते हैं, हम लोगों को बैठ के काम करना पड़ता है। ऑल दीज थिंग्स मे बी जब ये ध्यान करने से क्या होता है कि आपके पास जो जेन्युइन काम आता है उसको आप अच्छी तरह से करते हो, और आपका बॉस अप्रिशिएट करता है, एंड यू फील हैप्पी अबाउट इट। सो आपका वर्क लाइफ बहुत अच्छा रहता है, फैमिली लाइफ अच्छा रहता है, करियर लाइफ अच्छा रहता है, सोशल लाइफ एंड मटेरियल लाइफ सब अच्छा हो जाता है। ये जब आपके पास अच्छे हो जाएंगे तो स्ट्रेस नहीं रहेगा, एंड यू विल स्टार्ट एंजॉयिंग लाइफ एज नेवर बिफोर। हर सेकेंड आपका माइंड जॉयस रहेगा, तो यू विल वेलकम प्रॉब्लम्स इंस्टेड ऑफ हाइडिंग इट। और कुछ स्पेसिफिक चीज बताइए सर, तो मैं उसका जवाब दूं।
Thank you, Ashok Kumar
sir.
Mishra.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vivek sir. Any more question anyone has? We can take it. Maybe. So, Dhaneshwar More sir, is there any yoga technique which can do that workplace? Specially, can do at work. Okay. Is there any yoga technique which can do at workplace? Okay. This technique also you can do at workplace. Only thing is, first you try it 1 or 2 week. You can try at home. Once you able to do it properly at home, in workplace, what you need to do, just keep your both the hand on your lap and concentrate on top of your head. That's it, Moreover. And once you get this practice, you can do it at your workplace. You can close your eyes and concentrate on top of your head. Then you go into deep meditation. So you can observe this. You can do this practice, but not now. Maybe after few days, once you practice at home regularly. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So once again, if you have any question, please feel free to ask. We are here to answer your question, and we want to give a special thanks to respected sir who given the opportunity to interact with you today, and because of you, sir, we are here, and Yogeshwar Rao sir, thank you very much. Because of you, we can able to interact again here. So thank you, Yogeshwar Rao sir, and we can have some more session in future, because today we are not able to cover the foot soap technique, music therapy, and other treatment. But in future, we can definitely have 2 or 3 session more, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, thank you.
हाँ, फ्यू सेशन होने से और भी लोग पक्के हो जाएंगे, इसमें उनको चांस मिलेगा। बिकॉज ये एक बार में किसी को ध्यान नहीं आता है इतना जल्दी। कितना सिंपल है ये, इसके लिए लोग बिलीव ही नहीं करते। लेकिन इसका जब वो प्रैक्टिस करेंगे ना, तब उनको जो रिजल्ट आएगा ना, देन वी डोंट हैव टू टेल एनीथिंग, यू आर ऑन योर ओन। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Yogeshwar Rao sir, for giving this beautiful opportunity. We finish our part. Can we log off from the system?
Hello, sir.
Any more questions?
Participants, any more questions?
Sir, I have one question.
Okay, yes.
Sir, at or which time is good for doing exercise? At morning or at evening?
Best time is the morning, whenever you wake up, and night before you go sleep. So that time you can do the meditation.
After dinner, can we do?
After dinner, you need to wait for a few minutes, and then you need to do it, because if you take a dinner, you need to wait for 30 minutes, because that time your liver is in a process of digesting the food. So you need to wait for 30 minutes.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Hello, sir. This is Ravinder.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Go ahead, sir.
Sir, as we all are from engineering background, and mostly we people have to sit in front of the system, PC, laptops, and currently due to the COVID, we are more using online classes and all that. So, what you suggest for the breaking period means a time gap so that we can put the rest our neck and shoulder and all that.
Actually, what happened when we are using too much of laptop, too much of mobile phone, and if we are sitting continuously 8 or 10 hours in the chair, uh, it will create a problem in our spinal cord. We get the back pain, we get the neck pain, we get the eyes problem, and our spinal cord structure get disturbed. But when you do yoga, when you do meditation, what will happen? It will make your spinal cord as straight in a straight way, and it will remove your back pain. It will remove the stress on your spinal cord. It remove the stress on your neck and eyes, and this way your problem with the related to neck or spinal cord or eyes get away. So I say that if you are sitting regularly on the chair and doing work for more than 8 or 10 hours, so I recommend you can do the meditation practice every day, and it will help you to resolve all the problem. Yeah.
Sir, I want to add one thing कि जैसे मैंने अपना एग्जांपल बताया कि एसिडिटी का प्रॉब्लम था, माइग्रेन, वॉमिटिंग, हेडेक डेली, और जब हमने मेडिटेशन शुरू किया तो ये गायब हो गया। काम करते समय आप बहुत ज्यादा इसमें, तो इसीलिए बॉडी में यू आर अनबैलेंस। इसीलिए जब हम सहयोग करते हैं तो यू कम बैक इनटू बैलेंस, तो आप फ्रेश हो। जैसे अगर आप थक गए, बट सहयोग में क्या होता है, जब भी करोगे ना ये दर्द वगैरह सब अपने आप गायब हो जाता है। ये बिकॉज यू कम इनटू बैलेंस। आपके जो सब सेंटर्स है ना, दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ योर बॉडी। तो जब वो क्लियर होते हैं तो आपके बॉडी में जो भी खराबी आ गई है ये इसके यूज से, माने ज्यादा यूज से, आप बैलेंस। एथलीट्स लोग वगैरह, बहुत लोग, अभी सौरव गांगुली को हार्ट अटैक आ गया यंग एज पर। क्यों? एनर्जी बहुत अच्छा एक्सरसाइज कर रहा है, ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है, बट बैलेंसिंग एक्ट नहीं कर पा रहा है। वो जो रेस्ट चाहिए उसको, बॉडी को रेस्ट चाहिए। आप लोग इतना ज्यादा मेहनत करोगे तो रेस्ट चाहिए, एंड बैलेंसिंग इसी से होता है। सहयोग अगर वो 10 मिनट किए होते सहयोग सुबह शाम, तो उनको ये हालत नहीं होती थी। तो इसीलिए मेरा सजेशन है फॉर ऑल द एथलीट्स, या जो भी जो हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं उनको सहयोग जरूर करना चाहिए, सो दैट दे रिमेन इन बैलेंस, और उनको कोई बीमारी नहीं आए, कोई हार्ट अटैक नहीं हो। थैंक यू सो मच।
So thank you very much, sir. We finish from our part. Yogeshwar Rao, sir, over to you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So maybe sir, your team can log off from the system.
Let's meet again. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.
Okay.